Bradenton Motorsports Park, having some fun. Came across my man Paul from Paul's High Performance. And it's a Cobra jet, but it's got a 7.3 under the hood.
Absolutely. Good old 7.3 cubic inches. Can't go wrong, right?
So you're like the first guy to put one in a car and drag race it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we're down here trying to see how much faster we can go and try to get a good number out of it this weekend. We entered the showdown class. See what it's got.
What's the quickest run so far?
10:32, 129.9.
Get some footage so we can bring you a really cool video on the 7.3 in action.
We'll make the Godzilla guys proud. You ready?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Roach clips do that. That's beautiful.
Okay, next. Okay, here's the plate. I got your bolts for you. For the wiring.
Yep.
$10-minute nitrous install. Is that what we got going on here?
Nitrous install, fellas. That's what we do. Go fast, fast. Go fast, fast.
All right, so
Okay. There you go. Now he's got it.
there they go.
Cutters.
There you have it. This is the classic. That's a 4-minute install. That's what we do. Go fast, fast. So we continue. Next video is the cars.
So we're deciding on jet.
Stop it. 1360 RS9. Doing.
Okay. Doing good, guys. How long's it been? Anybody time us?
5 minutes 5:47 so far.
Say, he's got the timer right there.
5 minutes? No way. Huh?
So it's been on there since it was on there 4 minutes. So it's been on there 4 minutes. It's definitely on there.
Okay, so that's tight. Line on. Electrical connected back there, Scott? So if someone wants to key on for me. And I need a 9/16 wrench. You ready? Key on. Key on. There we go. Fuel pressure set. We just got to set a little bit with what we're going to do for a nitrous jet. So next item up, nitrous jet.
I don't think I have.
This is Catherine Terry and his brother Mike.
Mike. All right, Paul. So far, 10:32 at 129. But that last run, it's a little better weather out there today, but it's not like 960 better. How did you produce a 960? This thing just went 960.
Yeah, well, we decided to put a little bit of nitrous to it. We did a 100 shot, made it nice and safe. Boom, nice clean pass. Car went 960, 135.6. Awesome pass for Godzilla. She's in the nines. She's in the nines.
So first Godzilla in the nines. We caught it here at the track down at Bradenton Motorsports Park. Gorgeous weather down here. We're having a
Beautiful
great time,
weather.
man. This is so cool. 9-second Godzilla.
9-second Godzilla, and there's more to come. More to come.
Awesome. So thanks, Paul.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to the REVan channel. Have yourself a great day.
Awesome.
I'm still. Shit. We still